Hi guys, on the menu today we have praline pound cake. So if you want to know how I make this, stay tuned. So first you want to start off with 6 eggs and you want to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Once you have finished separating your eggs, now you want to get a mixer and you just want to begin to mix the egg whites. And you want to mix it until it's just a little foamy. And then once it starts to get foamy, you want to add a half cup of sugar. So at this point, this is when I'm adding my sugar, and then I'm going to cut the mixer up and I'm just going to let the egg whites beat until they're nice and firm. And this is how you want your egg whites to look. So now we're going to start on our pound cake batter. So you will need 2 sticks of room temperature butter, or you can use margarine. So you're going to mix that, and you want to mix that until it's light and fluffy. To that, I'm going to add 2.5 cups of sugar, scrape down the sides of my bowl, and then I'm going to continue to mix. Once that mixture is light and fluffy, you want to go back with your egg yolks, and you're going to add those one at a time. And I like to just let this mix until it's nice and fluffy. And you will be able to see the consistency in the video. For your dry ingredients, you will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour and a 4th teaspoon of baking soda. You will also need a 8-ounce container of sour cream. So what you want to do is alternate your flour mixture and your sour cream. And be sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl and not to over mix your batter. Now we're going to add our vanilla. And this is the consistency that you want your batter. So now we're going to take our egg white mixture and we're just going to fold that in to the pound cake batter. So you're just gonna bake your pound cake at 325 degrees for about an hour and a half. If you have a gas stove, it may be 5 or 10 minutes less. So now we're gonna start on our glaze. You're gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and a half cup of I use heavy whipping cream, or you can use milk. And you just want to whisk that together. And you basically just want to cook it until it's all combined. And from the video, you will be able to see the consistency of the glaze. So I just allow it to just bubble for maybe about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I just go in and continue to whisk. And now you want to add your vanilla. So once I remove my glaze from the stove, I added some pecans to that. And I also have some crushed pecans off to the side. So I like to put my glaze on top of the pound cake. And then I like to go back with the crushed pecans and sprinkle those all over the top. And I know some of you asked me to cut the cake. But anytime in these videos that I may not cut the cake, it's just because this cake is for, or whatever cake that I'm making is for someone else. But I will add a picture to the end of this video to show you what one of my pound cakes look like as far as the texture when it's cut. So I like to go back and just drizzle some more of that glaze over the top of that pound cake. And this is the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you made this cake. If you did, how you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video. And thanks for watching. Bye.